Morning. Got all my metal pieces cut up yesterday. Got them all deburred and they are ready to go on this roof. It's ready to go. I did a little bit of trimming on the end here, getting rid of that leftover. Here, let me see if I can show you. I got trimmed off all these pieces, the ends of these 2x4s, and the one down here as well, and the one over there on the far end. Now I'm ready to get the roof installed. So some of these panels have existing holes in them, like this. These are from the previous use installation. So as much as I can, I'm going to try to utilize those without making new ones, just to minimize potential leaks. And they're in good places on the boards that are suitable, so I'll use them where I can. Alright, now I just gotta get that ridge cap on, and the roof is waterproof. final touch, I'm going to bend this edge, or these two edges down, so that it forms another drip edge, so the water doesn't back up into the underside of the roof right there, which could definitely happen depending on which direction the wind is blowing or how the water is flowing off the roof. So just one little tiny little bit, and this will be done. A little snip, just like that. Go over here, just like that. There we go. I think I'm also going to put in another screw right there, because this is a little bit floppy. I don't really like how it's moving, so. Alright, one more screw. Two more screws. Okay, let's go take a look at our finished roof. Oh, I put in this block of wood right here to guard the edge of the metal so that when I lean the ladder up against the edge, it doesn't hit and bend the metal's edge. So, alright. The roof surface is a little bit slick. It's, you know, it's metal after all, and it's got a 15-degree pitch, so I can still walk on it, but it's a little bit, it's a little slippery. So, it's looking pretty good. I'm going to see if I can wash it before I get the rain catchment system set up, but even still, it's looking pretty good. All this kind of discoloration here is all dirt from leaves from when it was sitting underneath this big tree over the past couple months, and it just kind of got in there and sort of stained it, you know, like it does. So, but it's nice, it's good, it's waterproof, and most importantly, it's done. On to the next part.